Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will provide you update related to Infosys hiring 2026. Actually चल क्या रहा है and many of the students have got the second round mail. So whether 2025 or 2026 pass out get or who batch means which batch got and all doubt I will try to make clear. So make sure to listen each and every point. Okay friends, the reason I am making the video in little bit delay because I want to get all the data from the sources and then I want to make and confirm it. Okay, so सबसे पहले आप देख सकते हैं this is the survey which I have conducted in my group. Okay, some people conducted that how many people have received the mail from Infosys, and this batch is specifically for 2026 pass out. I mean this group was that, and only few or 2 to 3 students got, and still most of them are for 2025 pass out. So 2026 pass out still they didn't got any mail. You can see another query that my Infosys exam was rescheduled on May 31st, but on that day I received a mail conveying that exam is deferred. So it has been received, and they said that they will reschedule within next week, but still student or candidates didn't got any update. This is very painful, and what can I say, this is very wrong from the Infosys side what they are trying to do. If they don't want to take people, then they should clearly mention. Okay, and friends, genuinely you might get hurt, but I will suggest don't believe on this particular hiring. Okay, focus and shift your focus to other hiring. I don't think that they're gonna hire more number of candidates. Okay, so this is the genuine reason I'm saying, because आप देख सकते हैं around 1.5 month हो चुका है previous, and they said that they will give update. They haven't provided any update. At least they should say that whether they're gonna hire or not. But those candidates who have given exam 2 to 3 4 months back, they are getting now round 2 mail, and still there are confusion from that candidate. So that's the reason I'm saying, friends, 2026 keep a hope, but don't what can I say, don't put your hope much in this particular hiring. Okay, still I will suggest, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप बिल्कुल हटा दे, but you should keep applying for other off campus drive and don't depend completely on this hiring. Okay, so you can say this is the candidates experience. They said that after the 2 months they said the result and round 2 mail, but still some candidates didn't get. So keep a hope, and this is all things I want to tell. Taking one of the more query, you can see that I haven't got any mail regarding this, and my exam was on 17th May postponed, but they didn't got any mail related to the round 1 exam itself. Okay, so बहुत लोग का भी round 1 exam भी नहीं हुआ, and some of them are getting result, but most of them from 2025 pass out. So don't be in a hectic position. If they will hire, then you will get the mail for sure. But again saying, keep applying for other drives and try to get into another. Okay, soon Cognizant and other company hiring will announce, so whenever any update will come I'll provide, but it will take time, especially for the CTS side. Okay, so this is just short updates. I hope now your doubt is clear. So again मैं brief में बताता हूँ कि just 2025 pass out candidates are getting the results, and 2026 very few. If you are the candidates, must comment here whether you got the mail or not, and your batch, and on the on which date you have given the exam, so that other student will get clarity that whether they get or not. So I hope now your doubt is clear. If still you have any query, feel free to comment here, ask here. I'll be very happy. Until then, just boost your resume and try to make some good projects, especially include some AI ML skills and make some good projects. Okay, and keep applying for the drive which I regularly post lots of job updates. You can also join our WhatsApp Telegram group. So this was all thing from my side. Hope informative to you. Again saying, friend, don't be panic, especially for 2026 pass out. There are few hiring, but still I think some good hiring will come. Keep a hope and keep improving your skill. मिलते हैं next important updates में. Thank you.